Nobody likes wild rocks, let's get them tamed. Hi, I'm Joe with rhrswag.com, and today we're going to show you how to install Rock Tamer mud flaps on your pickup. You want to come to the back of the truck. This will slide on your ball mount. Make sure you got about an inch gap here to allow for this piece in here. We'll go ahead and throw this back on. Once you throw that on, the set screws here, you can tighten them to keep this tight. Once your set screws are tight, you can adjust these jam nuts. Next, you're going to want to put your mounting rods in here. These are adjustable for smaller sizes pickup. On our 2500, we'll have them all the way out. The next step is we'll install this hanger piece on the mud flap. Next step is we'll install these fancy Rock Tamer plates. As you notice, they do supply little bushings to slide in between the plate and the nut. We'll go ahead and tighten these down with you'll need a 10mm wrench and an Allen head that comes with the kit. Once you get both of your mud flaps set together, we'll go ahead and install them on the pickup. You'll secure them to the bar with the bolt they supply. Just repeat on this side. All right, the next step I'm going to do is tighten these. When I put these on, I like to leave them loose so the weight of the mud flap kind of keeps this all centered. So we'll go ahead and tighten these. Now I'll go ahead and tighten these. I'll run the feet down the other side, make sure they're tight. One last cool feature about these is if it doesn't work out the way we installed it on our truck, you can loosen these, and these are adjustable. The last step is they send a little rubber plugs for the ends of the Rock Tamers. So you just slide these in here. Same on the other side. Oh, did I say the last step? Also, they provide bolt and nut covers for the back side of these. Go ahead and push them guys on there. Nobody likes wild rocks. Let's get them tamed.